Alrighty mga kaunggoy, welcome back to the legendary series mga kaunggoy and part 3 ng buong Last Hug Lian de Guzman Vince Jimenez issue mga kaunggoy. I apologize in advance kung medyo hindi okay yung boses ko. Medyo kasi meron akong let's just say I got the sniffles, I got the flu mga kaunggoy. Hindi okay yung lalamunan ko pero I'm a soldier through this video mga kaunggoy. And I'm not even sure if this is her official Facebook page pero ang dami kasing mga lumalabas na mga fake accounts ngayon and sana naman hindi ito AI. I watched this video, like clips of it in advance, and sa tingin ko naman hindi ata to AI. Okay, first things first, what the fuck is this? Like boss77.com. Bakit may ganyan? Like, is this for real? Ito yung apology video niya and meron siyang gambling site dito sa upper right. Like, I don't know man, medyo I'm not sure if that's okay kasi apology video nga to and what the hell man, like I'm not sure if this is for the views or this is for the clout kasi nga all eyes are on her at the moment. So if I were her and all eyes are on me at the moment, let's just be real, I'ma be honest, I'ma be real, I will do whatever it takes to take advantage of the clout, right? If ever may mangyaring negative sa akin, no? Like, everybody is hating me. Gagawin ko ang lahat para perahan yun, alright? So, not sure if that's the same mindset she has. Pero let's take a look at this apology video. Tingnan natin. Ito, mukha siyang kawawa dito, pero let's just be real. Don't trust her. Mukha man siyang kawawa ngayon, like dito sa video na to, pero don't fall for the bait. Don't fall for it, right? Alam natin na medyo fucked up yung pag-iisip niya, alright? Sa mga pinaggagawa niya, hindi ko sure kung saan nila nakuha tong video na to. Hindi ko mahanap yung original video, hindi ko mahanap yung original account ni Lian de Guzman, pero tignan natin to.
Hello po, ako po si Lian de Guzman and nandito po ako para magsalita na about sa issue na nangyayari ngayon dahil sobrang dami na pong fake news ang lumalabas, fake accounts, and ang dami ko ng poster.
Ayun nga ang dami nga lumabas na mga fake accounts at mga poser shit eh. Like, a lot of people are taking advantage of this shit. Gagawa sila ng bagong page, tapos ipapangalan sa kanya, tapos hanapin yung mga old Facebook photos and videos o reels, tapos i-repost nila kunwari siya daw yon. And ayun nga, ang daming fake news na lumalabas. So, I don't really know who to trust at this point.
Still nakadiyak yung account ko that time and itong FB ko is ito yung pinaka-real account ko.
Wait, which one? Like, hindi ko sure kung saan yung real FB account niya. This video was posted by this account and I'm not even sure if this is her real account because I checked. It doesn't seem like it's her real account.
Pag-scroll kayo dyan, makikita nyo yung mga old photos ko and nandito ako para i-clarify lahat ng nangyayari. And uunahin ko na po is yung kung ano talagang meron sa amin nung guy. Never po naging kami nung guy. Never kami naging long-term relationship. And totoo po na nanligaw siya sa akin at nagpaligaw ako kahit may boyfriend ako.
Which is very fucked up. So, buti inamin niya yun. Right? Pero still, it's actually fucked up and yung backlash na nararamdaman niya ngayon and yung mga taong nang babash sa kanya, well, parang deserve, right? Parang deserve, right? Actually deserve, right?
Mali po ako doon and alam ko yun.
Buti naman, alam mo.
Kami po nung lalaki is 3 weeks pa lang po kaming nag-uusap. 6 na beses po kaming nagkita.
Parang bilang like pag tinitingnan mo yung yung nakalagay dun sa, ano tawag dun, yung screenshots,
At nag-start kaming mag-usap noong November 25 and nagkita kami noong November 27 and nag-end kami noong December 23. And yung about naman po dun sa food and service na sinasabi niya, tuwing mag-meet up po kami is halfway po kami. And sa foods naman po, lagi po siya nagluluto sa apartment niya. Doon kami kumakain ng lunch and dinner. May 3 times po kaming lumabas, nag-date. And yun na po yun. Hindi ko nasasabihin kung saan pa. And then, about naman doon po sa nag-PPR daw po ako.
Okay, so boot is straight from the source, very detailed yung pinagsasabi niya. And foods and service. Like, nabigyan niya ng explanation yung sa foods. Paano naman yung sa service? What about the service? Also, I gotta ask. So, doon kayo kumakain sa apartment niya. And I gotta ask, kayong dalawa lang ba? Kasi if kayong dalawa lang dun sa apartment,
may nangyayari na.
ayun. Who knows, right? We don't know what's happening behind closed doors, right? I could be right, I could be wrong. I'm not saying it's fact.
PR means sex po kasi.
Oh,
And hindi po totoo yun.
okay.
Nag-PPR ako sa matanda.
Wait, what?
Never ko pong ginawang makipag-PR sa matanda dahil hindi ko yun kaya sa sarili ko. Hindi ako makikipag-sex sa matanda for 3K. Parang ang baboy na ng sarili ko nun.
Hindi mo ba binaboy yung sarili mo sa pag-cheat na yan? Sa pagngangaliwa? Hindi mo na ba binaboy sarili mo dyan sa pinagsabay mo si... sino yung pangalan? Vince Jimenez at saka yung boyfriend mo? I mean, if you were to ask me, I think that's enough pambababoy sa sarili, right?
And about naman po dun sa Paul na nagsasabi na ex-boyfriend ka daw po siya, hindi ko po siya kilala.
Oh, shit! Wait a minute, what? So, hindi niya ex si Paul Eric. What the fuck, man?
Wala po kaming conversation yan. And hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling yung mga kwento niyang yan. Mas sinasabi niyang nag-antay siya ng 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. sa akin and then may nakita siyang kasabay ko na chinito, ganon. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na kung talagang totoo yung sinasabi mo sa akin, na ako yung girlfriend mo, is gusto ko maglabas ka ng photo natin together na magkasama tayo. Yung real photo, not AI generated. Hindi yung puro messages na ako yung mukha, na ako yung account. Kasi ako, hindi kita kilala. Wala tayong convo. Never kitang nakausap. Never ako sa'yo nag-chat ng ganun. And about doon sa
Oh shit, so yun nga, straight from the source. Now, I don't know who's telling the truth anymore. I don't know who's spitting facts anymore. Hindi ko na alam kung sino yung nagsasabi ng totoo, mga kaunggoy. The whole entire shit is confusing, mga kaunggoy, alright? So, Paul Eric, this character is not really the boyfriend of this girl, mga kaunggoy. Holy shit. So, sino ba talaga yung boyfriend? Like, that's the confusing part. Like, sino si Paul? Sino si Vince? Sino yung boyfriend? Like, which is which? Who is who? This whole entire saga is very nakalito.
mga wrong statement, mga fake accounts, mga poser. Hindi ko po yung account lahat. Lalo na yung isang Lian de Guzman na sa halos 73k followers na.
Wait, so, is she talking about this page? 73k, sabi niya, di ba? 84k actually sa ngayon. What the fuck, man?
Po sa akin yun. Wala akong account ngayon. Ito pa lang. And, ang dami Lian de stories. Alam ko marami pa mga sa TikTok accounts. Alam ko sobrang dami pa. And lahat yun is fake. May TikTok account ako pero naka-private yun ngayon. And ito yung pinaka-real account ko. Sa mga fake accounts ko, hindi po ako yung nagpo-post doon.
Actually, dapat. I mean, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang parang threshold when it comes to negative comments and people talking about us in a negative way, mga kaunggoy, alright? And hindi lahat ng tao ay kayang saluhin ang mga negative shit or yung mga negative comments or pangbabash, alright? Hindi lahat ng tao kaya yun. So I completely understand why she has to private her social media accounts. Pero I'm just saying, man, like if I were her, you take advantage mo na yung clout, right? Build a future for yourself, right? Like earn some money, turn chicken shit into chicken salad, mga kaunggoy, alright? That's what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do, alright? So, ayun yung dapat. Pera to, mga kaunggoy. Gawin yung pera, alright? Yun nga eh. Ang daming mga fake accounts. Ang daming, like, yung mga fake accounts, yung mga taong gumagawa ng fake accounts, sila na mismo yung naikinabang sa chicken shit mo. Right? Like, sila na yung umiipon ng pera. Eto nga eh, oh. Eto nga page na to eh. May ano na eh. Ay, teka, nawala yung watermark niya dito. Saan yung watermark? Alam ko may watermark yan kanina eh. The whole entire situation is fucked up.
Kung ano man yung mga pinopost nila doon, wala akong alam. Kung hindi ko na alam kung ano yung mga pinopost nila. Like, mga wrong statements, hindi po yun galing sa akin. Hindi pa po kami nag-uusap nung guy. Wala pa kaming communication ngayon. Never kaming nag-usap simula na. And gusto ko lang rin po humingi ng pasensya sa lahat ng naapektuhan dito. Sa family ko, sa mga kakilala ko.
Okay.
Kasi sobrang big issue nito.
Yun nga eh. Like, sobrang laki ng issue na to eh. Actually, nung nag-trending tong issue na to, hindi ko muna ginawa ng video eh. Kasi parang sabi ko, madali lang yung magda-die down. Eh, ang napansin ko, ilang araw na nakalipas hanggang ngayon, as of recording this video, January 1, at 2 in the morning, hanggang ngayon, sige, like, trending pa rin to. Everybody still knows about this shit. Everybody is still making memes about this shit. Right? So, like, akala ko, magda-die down ng mabilisan tong issue na to. Eh, hindi. Sobrang naging malaki. Sobrang lumaki yung issue na to to the point na nakaabot na sa mga iba't ibang attorneys. Right? So, actually, okay lang yan kasi, you know, like, money, alright? More money for me, mga kaunggoy, alright? You know what I'm saying, dog?
And gusto ko po humingi ng patawad. Lalo na dun sa boyfriend ko. Alam mo yan, nag-usap na tayo and...
Wait, so sila pa rin ba? Ng kung sino man yung boyfriend niya? Kasi if I were the boyfriend, like, I would just, you know, like let's be real, for real, my dog. If she's not worth it, my dog, alright? If she did it once, she will probably do it again, right?
Hindi ko napapahabain. I'm so sorry. And dun sa family...
Okay, so na-realize ko, boyfriend. Tinawag niyang boyfriend. So, ibig sabihin, sila pa rin. Hindi niya tinawag ex-boyfriend eh. Sabi niya, boyfriend. So, sila pa rin. I don't wanna call the boyfriend a cock. Pero... tsaka na yun.
ng boyfriend ko. I'm so sorry po. Alam kong na-disappoint kayo sa akin. Lalo na dun sa mother niya.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
And inaayos ko naman na po ngayon. For now. Okay, yun na lang. Hindi ko pa ipapublic kung sino talaga yung boyfriend ko kasi inaalagaan ko rin yung image niya na walang makakilala sa kanya for now. And
Actually, ito like, idadagdag ko lang to. Medyo delikado yung ayaw mo okay, let's ayaw mo i-reveal yung identity niya, secret siya, ganun, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I understand that. Ayaw mo siya masaktan or mabash, right? I understand. Kaso lang, karamihan sa nakikita ko, yung mga taong nagpa-private or tinatago yung identity ng mga partner nila, medyo, tapos, hindi nila alam kung sino yung partner, which is very easy for them to cheat. Actually, nagawa na nga niya eh. Nagawa na nga niya mag-cheat eh, no? So, yung kasi mahirap eh, pag tinatago yung identity ng partner, hindi alam kung sino yung partner, no?
Yun din yung gusto niya for now. Pero, yun na lang muna sa ngayon siguro yung gusto kong i-share sa
So, kayo pa rin.
public. Wala nang iba. Sa ngayon, ito po muna yung ilalabas kong statement. Wala pa po akong ibang nilalabas kundi ito lang. So, dito na po mag-e-end yung video. At maraming salamat sa mga nakinig. At Happy New Year.
Actually, mag-vlog ka na lang. Like, word of advice, use the clout, use the hype, maging vlogger ka na. Just do it already, right? You'll earn a shit ton of money if you were to pursue this career, mga kauggoy, alright? Just do it already. Ayun lang masabi ko, mga kauggoy, alright? Okay, so what are your thoughts on this video? Ano yung thoughts nyo sa apology clearing up shit video ni Lian de Guzman? Like, do you buy it? Do you think she's sincere? Put in the comments below and let me know. Personally, at least she spoke up, right? At least she spoke up. At least she said her side of the story. Pero I'm not defending her. I'm not defending what she did. I still think she's a piece of shit. And I still think na dapat yung boyfriend niya, sinabi niya dun sa video, boyfriend niya eh. So hindi niya sinabi na ex-boyfriend eh. She never said ex-boyfriend. So ibig sabihin, sila pa rin ang boyfriend. Alright? And if I were her boyfriend, alright? Or kung mag-a-advise man ako sa boyfriend ni Lian de Guzman, alright? Here's the thing. Grow a pair. Grow a pair of balls. Leave her. Kasi who knows, like she might do something worse in the future. Kasi nagawa niya yun eh, like if you saw the screenshots, she has like yung kung paano siya mag-asta sa screenshots na nabasa natin, medyo fucked up yung pag-iisip niya, right? So I don't know, man, like don't really trust her 101%. Pero if you're gonna continue the relationship with her, then be on guard. Siguro yun na lang yung masasabi ko. Be on guard. Kasi you never know what these modern women can do. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jara said so. I gotta head out.